How to change Discord password if you forgot it. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, if you want to change your password on Discord, then you need to enter your current password, and only after that you can enter your new password to save it. However, if you have forgotten your current or old password, does this mean that you cannot change your account password? Well, not at all. Actually, there is a quite simple solution. However, it requires you to remember your email address. So if you've got the email address of the account, follow these steps. First of all, log out of your account. And once you do that, let's click login again and type in the email address of your account. And once you do that, instead of entering a password, we will click on forgot your password at the bottom, and you will get this pop-up box that says that um, Discord has sent some instructions for you in order to change your password to this email address that you have entered. So go ahead and check your email. Once you got the email, click on it, and then click reset password. You will be redirected to this page, in which you will be able to enter your new password right here without remembering or entering the current or old password. So go ahead and set your new password. Once you have done that, click on change password. As you can see, the password has been saved and your Discord account password has been changed to this new one without remembering the old or current password. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your password on Discord if you have forgotten it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.